Hi guys, today I will be recording a roleplay video for you guys because I haven't even done a roleplay before, and I'm here with my friend slash cousin. Hey, and right now she's just left. We're going to RP, so hope you enjoy. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit that like button, and enjoy. So, I just done my homework, and I think it's like time that I put my pajamas on and tie my hair up and take this fluffy skirt. So ugly, and it's like put it in my way. So let's get dressed. Let's get dressed. So let's put on a bun. From your bun. And let's put on PJs. Put on these PJs, so that's so cute. And let's take off the skirt. Anymore. And now let's give us some sleepy eyes and some sleepy mouths. Okay, I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm looking so fabulous. I will wake up tomorrow. Bye guys. I have to go to sleep. Our 3-day sale is on now. I think it's time to wake up. I just slept for long enough. So let's get out of bed and get changed. And then we can have some mint. So tired. Let's get changed. Scrub my hair. My beautiful hair. Let's do my makeup. Let's do cute eyes with blue. No, this time no, this looks not. It sounds like that. No, I feel free. No, let's just have go to that. Oops, I got my ears, I got my clothes, girls outfit. Sorry guys, I can't show my today.
How many kids? 3.
Cold. Oh, breakfast already. Let's get into something better than this. Yes, no. Let's change it to something else. That's pretty. Go this. We should Okay, let's go. I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. It looks like theater. How we look like this type of time. Time for breakfast. So excited to eat my hot chocolate. Let's go. I can't be bothered. Let's just fly down to the breakfast stop. Campfire hot chocolate. So delicious. Clara's a nerd. Oh, hi. Hi. So, what are you eating now? So, I'm eating blueberry pancake because I just finished it. Okay, I'm gonna have this chocolate. Bye, Cat. Bye. Oh, hi. I'm Hershey. Oh, well, I'm Leo. Oh, good to know you. You're poor? Yeah. Oh, well, I can't donate to you, sorry. Cool.
Kaya bang aral ba sa ako rin, ma'am?
Done. Now let's go. What class is it? What class is chemistry is next?
Aso lulungin na, aso luwang
Chemistry is next, and literature is next. Oh my gosh, I need to. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that I'm changing up with this much people. Oh my gosh, hurry up, hurry up. Just go with yesterday's outfit. It can't be bothered. It is chemistry at 7 o'clock, and oh my gosh, look at these guys. They are so perfect. Look at those boobs. No, she's saying she's fine. No, no, don't. I'm not just this girl. I'm not your myself.
Huh?
Not this girl. Talking to myself. Sharing Clara. Just make me sad. Let's get this on. I am so good at this. Oh my god. I don't think Clara lost. I just beat these people. Well, she lost. I beat these people. Oh, they're gonna lose. I have lost. Yay, I made it. Oh, I made it. And I didn't lose. Thank you. Wait. I'm doesn't do this. Chase me and Clara. Oh no, I think she's gonna win. Yay! Oh, we both won. And I leveled up. Yeah. So let's go. What is next? It's the homework. I don't need homework today. Yay. What is the next one? Let's go chill on the balcony. Oh my gosh, oh, Kate. There's Kate. I need to get Kate. Oh, where's Kate? I need
My wife's got poorly legs. She's going to need to wear these for 3 years. Right. Okay.
So do you see my name right there? Let's go to computer class. I just want to raise
In hearts at peace under an English heaven.
that is my friend talking great question. The mom. Let's start with the big real. You're right.
Sergeant, yeah, correct answer is. That's a very sad last one. So it goes to home chase through. That's right, Sergeant. Rupert Brooke. I'm surprised she died. I think only this of me that there is a far-flung corner of a distant land that is forever in. Right. Here's the next question. In 1978, Reinhold Messner and Peter Harder became the first people to conquer Mount Everest without carrying what? A. Drugs. B. Food. C. Oxygen. You've got oxygen. I think
1 point.
Hah?
Exactly. Correct answer is
Guys,
Ma'am?
if you like
Asongi.
this
Oo nga, tinanong ko, mayang nga.
if you want another period, just do another period. There's Facebook again. This video is like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
here's the next question.
Okay, like and subscribe. Bye, guys.